Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm always gonna love Mexico, but right now I'm in Vietnam and I'm gonna explain why in future videos why I'm here. But as of now, I want to get this video out as soon as possible because I had a pretty interesting night. I just got back, so it's around 2 a.m. right now, so it was a pretty wild night during Tet Festival 2025. Hey, how's it going? So it's about 11:40-ish right now, and I'm about to celebrate Tet Festival with the locals that I met about a week ago. I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna light up some firecrackers. So, all right, let's check this out. I did not want to go because it was so late. So I've been sleeping really early for the past few weeks, but yeah, I feel like I gotta do this. I mean, this is my first time in Vietnam. You know, we just drank beer in front of his house a few hours ago, and he invited me to come out tonight. I feel like I'm obligated to go. Yeah, and might as well, right? This is my first week in Vietnam ever, so might as well go celebrate with the locals. Because I have no idea how this is gonna go tonight, but yeah, I'm just gonna try it out and see. All right, it was raining earlier today too. It was raining like 5 minutes ago. Well, I'm kind of over-exaggerating, but it was raining not too long ago. Yeah, let's see. Here we go. Do you hear that? I don't know where it's coming from. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Where? Do you know where all the fireworks are? Mấy cái fireworks ở đâu không? Có biết cái đâu?
Out there.
Oh, out this way?
But they already end.
Oh, xa thế mà.
New firework is coming.
Oh.
50 minutes there.
15 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh. So on the street there's gonna be fireworks over there. Đi bộ ở đây phải không?
Right there.
Đi bộ đó.
Ở đó luôn anh.
Oh, okay. Chị không có xa phải không? Chỉ đi bộ đó.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And, right there. Yeah.
Oh, mà 2 giờ phải không? Mà 2 giờ. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Last 50 minutes.
Oh.
The next 10 minutes we will like that.
Okay. Đi bộ đó trong ở đó. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cảm ơn nhiều.
Đang ra chuẩn bị đó.
Oh, okay.
Anh ở bên đây.
Oh yeah, ở đây á. Yeah, ở đây. You ở đây hả? Oh, okay.
Bán hàng.
Oh yeah, over there. I buy water from her. Mua nước.
Mua mở hàng.
Hiểu chút xíu, yeah.
Ngày mai mở cửa.
Okay.
Mua đồ mở hàng.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, ngày mai mở cửa.
Ngày mai mở cửa bán mở hàng.
Okay. Mua 2 cây nước ở trong đó.
Anh tên gì?
Tên Alan. Who put up all the lights? Like all the lights? Who ai làm mấy cái đèn vậy? Mấy cái đèn ở trên đây? Phải. The city or people that live here that do it. Oh wow, awesome. Yeah, so this is the people that live here. They put up the lights here. This is pretty cool. Yeah.
Không, anh ở bên cạnh đâu.
Oh wow.
Về đây vui không?
Yeah, ở đây vui. Yeah, ở đây thích. Yeah. Thích ở đây không có nhiều xe.
Không có nhiều xe.
Yeah, thích không có kịp. Yeah. Ở bên kia kịp. Mà ở đây không có kịp. Thích giống vậy. Yeah. Cool. Celebrating here with the locals is pretty cool. Everyone's so super nice. I don't know because I'm part Vietnamese, so they're accepting of me. But I think anyone that would be here, you know, I think they were accepting to everybody. Well, yeah, let's check this out. Let's see it. It's beautiful here. Let's check out this side. we're waiting for I think 10 more minutes or so until it hits midnight, and then there's gonna be a fireworks celebration right over there. Right over there. There's gonna be a fireworks celebration. Dude, that thing is gonna explode. 1 more minute. Thing's gonna launch. There you go. Go, Oh man, here we go. Check this out. It's gonna explode. This is gonna explode. There you go. Oh, here you go. Oh shoot. What is that gonna do? Oh, damn, look at that. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's so loud. Oh, whoa. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Dude, it is so loud. It is so loud right now. Holy crap. Wow. That was insane. I haven't been so close to fireworks before, like this big. That was crazy. That was so loud. Yeah, that was so loud, and that was pretty insane. That was pretty. That was quite an experience right there. It's all smoky now. Look at this. It's crazy. That was pretty awesome. I've never experienced anything like that before. It's happening throughout the whole town right now. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but fireworks are happening everywhere right now. But we can't see it because I'm in like this little alleyway here. Oh, he's gonna do another one. Oh shoot. Dude, I'm gonna stay away this time. I was so close. Dude, that thing is so loud too. Putting on some earplugs. Oh shit! Oh! Look at that! Look at that! So loud! Oh my god. That was so cool. Wow. Oh my gosh, my ears. Oh my. Yeah. I was telling you how loud it is in my ears. He's gonna do another one? Oh my god. This ain't over. This night is not over. I hope my mic is working. Alright, my mic is working. Dude. Man, cái lỗ tai.
Cái đi to đó.
I was telling you, my ears. There you go. Oh my god, my ears. am I just not used to the sound or something? Oh, Happy New Year! Come on. Let's go. Oh yeah, my bow tie. Oh my god. Oh man. Yeah, I went over there. I didn't see you. Hong with Tai? Oh shoot. That is it. I think it's over now. That was dope. That was a cool experience. I wonder what's happening over there at the end of the street. I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna see what's happening over there. Look at that. Everyone's out at midnight. Oh, they're lighting fireworks here. I think it's over. It's happening all throughout the town. Yep. This is cool. Yep. I think it's over now. Yep, I think it's over. I think I'm gonna start heading back. I just said my goodbyes to everybody. You know, everybody was so cool. I even thanked the guy who was lighting the fireworks. I mean, he gave us a really good show, so I felt like I needed to thank him. But yeah, that was a cool night. I'm glad I came out. Everyone was so cool, so nice, and I'm about to go to sleep right now. So hope you guys like this video. If you like it, can you follow, a like, whatever, do whatever. All right, thanks.
Hey, yo!
Hey! Oh, hold on. Oh, shoot. Hey, come on with me, mới này.
Đi chơi.
Oh, đi chơi?
Đi vòng vòng.
Oh, okay. Shoot.
Quay, chân đá về.
Careful.